Welcome to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the most practical and high-performance products for your everyday needs. In today's video, we're reviewing what we believe is the best diffuser essential oil remote control on the market right now, the Fiteye Waterless Scent Diffuser Kit. Let's start with the basics. This is not your ordinary essential oil diffuser. The Fiteye diffuser brings advanced nano-atomization technology to your home or workspace. It means the oils are broken down into billions of tiny particles, diffusing 60% faster than traditional methods. That's how it manages to cover a whopping area of 1,200 to 1,500 square feet, making it suitable not only for your bedroom or living room but also for larger spaces like offices and hotel lobbies. Now let's talk control. The diffuser comes with a smart app and a remote, giving you full flexibility. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can schedule the diffuser to run at specific times of the day, adjust atomization intensity, and set up working hours and rest periods, all without touching the device. And if you prefer something even more straightforward, just grab the included remote and you're set. When it comes to noise, the Fiteye diffuser excels. Operating at less than 20 decibels, it's almost completely silent. Whether you're working, meditating, or drifting off to sleep, it won't interrupt your peace. And if you like a bit of ambient lighting, there's a soothing 7-color cycling LED light built in, which you can turn on or off based on your mood or need. One of the biggest concerns people have with diffusers is safety, especially if there are kids or pets around. This is where the Fiteye really shines. It's completely waterless and heat-free, meaning the essential oils remain in their purest form and the mist it creates is cool and safe to breathe. This is a key point that sets it apart from many water-based or heat-based diffusers which can degrade oil quality and pose safety risks. And it's not just about function, it looks great too. The diffuser has a modern, sleek design in black aluminum that fits in effortlessly with a variety of interiors. Whether you place it in your bedroom, on an office shelf, or in the entryway of your home, it adds a clean and premium aesthetic. The Fiteye diffuser comes bundled with 5 20ml bottles of high-quality essential oils, so you're ready to go right out of the box. No need to go shopping for oils separately. Now imagine this. You come home from a long day. With a few taps on your phone, you fill your space with lavender to unwind, dim the lights, and just breathe. Or maybe you're hosting guests. Set it to peppermint or citrus, and you've instantly created a refreshing atmosphere without lifting a finger. In conclusion, the Fiteye Waterless Scent Diffuser Kit combines elegance, smart features, and powerful performance. It's quiet, safe, efficient, and most importantly, customizable to fit your lifestyle. If you're looking to upgrade your space with premium aromatherapy, this could be the perfect addition to your home or office. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or have any questions about the diffuser, drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a product breakdown. See you in the next video.